On September 25, 2025, Hollywood police were called to a TD bank in Florida after tellers flagged something that didn't add up. 2 checks, $25,000, deposited from an elderly account holder. Someone else was trying to cash them. In Florida, cashing a check you know is forged is uttering a false instrument. If the victim is 65 or older, prosecutors can add exploitation of an elderly person on top of that.
Hello. Is she? I'll have to reach out to her directly.
What's going on?
I'm sorry, I lost the hearing aid.
That's fine.
Give you to this side.
And where do you live? Is this a...
Better, I can use these checks when I need it. Our mortgage is behind. I got a check cash last week also. And this was the last one I had.
Can we go in here, please?
Yeah.
And then, have you done a 53 to 19 before?
What do you mean 1019? Like 53,
1950?
19, no.
This is so embarrassing.
1950. I'll stay so I can call Gerber and let him know what's going on. If you can find...
You mean 15? 1015, is that what you're trying to tell me?
Yeah, 1915 is...
No, it's 1015.
No, it's
Huh?
1915. It's some people's stuff.
Oh, okay.
We shortened it.
Okay.
Can I call my sister here?
She's outside?
No. Oh no, she's not out of work till 1.
Okay.
She stays in touch with my aunt because my aunt is off the wall and an alcoholic. And we brought her to the hospital so many times. This is going on for she moved here just 4 years.
Your sister?
No, my aunt.
Oh, your aunt?
This is my aunt. She's only 2 years older than my sister. They're close.
Gotcha.
Right.
How long you lived in Hollywood?
Me?
Yeah.
I was in Hollandale first for 20 years from New Jersey.
Oh, nice. What part? What part of Jersey?
Hoboken.
Oh, nice. I was born in Newark.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I am turning 60. I am so embarrassed. My aunt is nuts. That's why I don't talk to her.
Yeah.
First, we had to find her house, do everything. And then she gave us this when she's one way.
How old's your aunt?
Let me see, my sister's 63, so she's 65.
Oh, okay.
We just got a social security check in line because she doesn't know what's going on.
Gotcha.
I'm totally embarrassed. And what is going on? I'm gonna get arrested here?
Well, we're trying to figure out what's going on as well. See, so we're in that process right now. So just hang tight for a few, okay?
So,
So those are the ones that went into and then these are original checks.
These ones are original?
Yeah, so those are the ones. I verified with her what were her last checks that she actually
Incident 3501 Johnson. They actually called from the hospital phone.
Could you do me a favor? Just stay off the phone for a little bit, okay? Hey, she gave me the copies of the checks. I don't know if you want to come take a look at them. Well, she just walked in now. So originals. Ones from today. These are originals from the past, and these are the ones from today.
What's your name?
Andrea,
So you obviously know why we're here, right?
do I know why you're here?
Yeah, you know why we're here?
Jesse from 80 minutes somewhere.
16 with 10-4. Cancel checks. Thank
Why are
you.
we here?
And that's very loud. You're here because they think I cash checks. My aunt had given me these checks before, and now she's saying she didn't, so I'm stuck
Okay.
here.
So before I ask you some questions, I'm gonna read some things to you, okay? The law requires that you be advised of these rights prior to answering any questions or making a statement. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that?
Yes,
Okay, anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand that?
yes,
Okay, you have the right to the presence of an attorney before and during any questioning. Do you understand that?
yes.
Okay. So, what happened today?
So Miss Andrea came in, she went to withdraw 16,000 in cash. We didn't have that available, so she said she wanted 5,000 and she'll get the rest in a cashier's check payable to
Hold on a second. So where did the check, which account did it go into when she first deposited? Was it her account?
yes. So
So she is
yesterday
client.
she deposited. Yeah, she's a client too. So
Okay.
both
At this
people-
location, she deposited that check?
No, it was at the Sheridan location.
Okay.
So it was deposited yesterday. She came here today to withdraw it. When we went to just verify, because it's available next business day, so when I went to go verify, when I looked at his account, I seen that it was negative, that amount. So that prompted me to call and
From that check?
yes,
So
exactly.
she did not have the actual funds
No.
to cover the check?
No.
And did she say,
So about.
she's saying she never authorized
She said
anyone?
she never authorized that. I called it. She said she knows who she is. That's her aunt. But she told me the last check
So
that
what was
she
that
wrote.
check, what was that check for?
What was it for? What, I was giving it to my brother-in-law for a mortgage, payment.
Okay.
That's where
So
I gave them. That's
So
my
that's your
brother-in-law.
sibling's spouse?
that's the one she tried.
That's your sibling's
So this
spouse?
is the one that was deposited
No, my
yesterday.
sister's.
Yeah,
Yeah, your sister's husband.
Exactly.
I'm missing a hearing aid and there's a lot of noise in this one. I'm
That was her
sorry.
signature there.
Yes.
The correct.
The money she was lending us, gave us as a gift, I was giving them to pay the mortgage.
She took out the funds too when she-
That one you need cash.
And she,
Well, because when I.
and 1 minute she's yes, 1 minute she's no. She mostly talks to my sister, they're 2 years apart.
Yes.
I really don't talk to her because she's not here.
And then she's immobile.
Bravo 14,
Where did your aunt live?
I just said Lauderdale by the sea.
Okay, so these are the two that you deposited at some point, right?
One last week, yes. I
Okay.
used both banks, I was going to Walmart after here, that's
So-
why I came here.
Our concern is, which is, they're supposed to do their due diligence.
Of course.
I mean, this signature is completely different than this one,
She's done that before.
but they don't have record of her ever doing that. Like every check that they have from 5/20, 6/2, 7/30, 8/1, all of these signatures are consistent, but the only two that are not are, you know, magically the ones that are being cashed by you. So then they call her and she's saying she never authorized you. So you understand what predicament we're in?
Of course, and
Because
I'm in.
technically, yeah, you're in possession of a fraudulent check. Well, you
Yes.
deposited that fraudulent check already, and you're trying to use those funds from that fraudulent check.
Yes. of course.
Question, was this withdrawn already too?
Yes.
Yeah, she already
And
cashed
she-
those
And
funds.
a cashier's check was made to Kevin.
For that first one?
Mm-hmm,
And then this second one, she was trying to,
today, yeah.
Can you
They were
give me
given
the
to
phone
me as a
number
gift.
for the victim?
blank checks were given to you as a gift?
Give
Case
Blank
code?
checks were given to you as a gift?
From my aunt.
They were blank?
She signed, no, she had the amounts and she wrote my name.
But even the signature is not even consistent. Like,
I could see that.
are they even in the right order? No, not even. This
I
is
don't know.
127, and then she goes back to 109. This is what's her name?
How old is she?
65.
So she's an elderly person. Your aunt is 65 years old?
Yes. My sister's only 2 years
Let me
younger.
call her
They're
real quick.
closer.
Okay, I'm
My
gonna
sister-
just to let her know that you're calling her.
Yes.
Oh, yeah,
I just want to know the
I'm gonna call her
situation.
outside.
She was in New Jersey, the house was falling apart around her, and my older sister went and got her.
The Hollywood Police Department are gonna be calling you right now, okay? So just pick up the phone, you might get a unknown number, but that's the Hollywood Police Department.
I
Okay,
can talk to her there.
Hey,
oh,
Is she fine talking?
would you like to talk to the police department on this phone?
Is there any way we?
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Do you have another officer?
Yeah, yep.
Come on.
Hello? I'm with the Hollywood Police Department. How are you?
Yeah, we can go in this office over here. Yeah, she can still hear. Yeah.
I came here.
Like you.
I was just waiting.
More or less, she's gonna press charges against me or not? Is that what's going on?
We're trying to figure out right now. I still only really know part. I really only know partial of the story, so we just gotta figure out what's going on. We'll just hang tight here for a few minutes. We'll just hang tight here for a few minutes, okay?
Bravo 14, that was NR.
Do you want to talk to a detective? Are you willing to speak to a detective?
Do I want to speak to the detective?
A detective.
Do I need to?
You don't need to.
I don't know.
Well, you're being detained at this point,
Yes,
pending a possible arrest. Do you understand that?
I do now.
Okay. Do you wish to speak with a detective? Okay.
So help me, this is what happened.
South African vehicle.
My hands pressing charges on me? Ah, wow.
Seems so.
That bank account was negative, she said? I'm not gonna, did you hear that?
I'm not too sure.
Last time I took it to the bank. She must have gave out a lot more than they'll remember.
You drove here?
Yeah,
Okay.
the car, I guess, next to yours. And I really want to have a cigarette. Can we ask them? Is that what it is? Because my nerves are shot.
I got you. Just give it a few minutes. Come on, let's go to the car. Yep. Alright, you can take your bag
Here,
off.
we need your purse.
Can you take your bag? Put your hands behind your back like you're
Now
praying.
where hold it?
No, the car keys.
Put your hands behind your back like you're praying.
Excuse
Like
me?
you're praying.
Okay.
Yep, there you go.
You're gonna take everything with
Why was the wheels
you.
and car keys here?
Well, for
No,
what?
they're not responsible for your vehicle.
I'm gonna
so
go
you
tell
can-
her.
you can
Cut
have
it off
some-
if you take your car.
I can't hear you.
Yeah, we're not gonna leave your keys here.
Okay, that's my car.
Okay.
All right.
Is that for you, Brian?
That's tight enough.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Right this way.
What car is it?
It's the Subaru right
Right
here?
here. Yes.
This car? Okay, my truck's over here.
Oh, I thought it was that one. Thanks for letting me
If
have
this,
it.
if I'll let you have one before we go.
Well, they're in the car.
Okay. She said it's the Subaru.
Right there.
All right, this way.
This one?
The SUV, the truck right here. Just watch your step. On this side. Are the cuffs too tight? Are the
No, I have arthritis in my shoulder, so it.
Okay, you want me to? I could do 2 cuffs for you. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna take this bracelet off. Okay. Is it a clasp?
Huh?
It's a clasp, right?
Yeah, there's 2. No, that's side, yeah. Where your
Up or
thumb
down?
is.
Yeah, up or
No,
down.
you should have pulled it down. The other one's open.
There we go.
Now pull. You press it on.
All right. Vanessa, could you just do a pat down on her? All right, I'm just gonna give you a pat down, okay? Everything goes in your purse.
Everything in my purse? Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and have a seat.
Have.
Yep. Can you get up?
Oh my God.
The woman at the counter said the checks were a gift meant to cover her brother-in-law's mortgage. Officers had already called the account holder directly. Her answer didn't match. She said she never authorized these checks. And here, the story starts to shift. One minute she's an aunt. The next, she's barely family at all. What she says next is going to matter later. She was read her Miranda rights under Miranda versus Arizona. She said she understood, then she kept talking. Everything said after that went straight into the case file. A bank employee pulled the older checks. Same signature every time, except the 2 she was holding. Those 2 didn't match anything on record. Out of sequence, out of pattern, and conveniently the only 2 in her hands. By then, officers weren't asking if something was wrong. They were asking how much. She'd said it herself, minutes earlier, that she was going to get arrested here. Turns out, she was right. She was charged with grand theft from a person 65 or older, exploitation of an elderly person, uttering a false instrument, and writing a check with insufficient funds. In Florida, stack those charges together and the exposure runs up to 40 years and $30,000 in fines. As always, she is presumed innocent until proven guilty in court. The officers get an A. They verified the story with the actual account holder before doing anything else, read Miranda cleanly, and let the inconsistencies speak for themselves. She gets a D. The story changed with every question, and she waived her right to stay quiet. In Florida, targeting someone 65 or older turns a theft charge into a much bigger problem. If checks show up from an elderly relative, verify with them directly before anything gets cashed. And if you're ever read your rights, remember, you can stop talking at any time. If you want more bodycam breakdowns like this one, subscribe. We post every week. What do you think a fair sentence looks like here? Drop it in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.